Hello, welcome to Barbecue. Let's slow some rib tips. Okay, so I've got about just under a pound of rib tips here. I'm cutting them into chunks, putting them into the bowl, and then I'm using Tony Cacherers Creole seasoning. And on top of that, I'm also gonna put a dash of Mrs. Dash original blend. Just seasoning them up, twisting them over, and then it's time to put them on the grill. So I'm creating kind of like a snake here using aluminum foil. I've got 2 pieces of mesquite, and I've just lit 3 coals in the corner, and then some probes and stuff. Anyway, so putting the chunks of rib tip on and lid on there, and after about 3.5 hours, this is what I did. I took a stick of butter, half an onion chopped up, and then I've got some Marisa chili paste. It's really hot. Some regular tomato paste, another dash of Mrs. Dash. Oh yeah, smoky chipotle barbecue sauce or chili sauce, a little bit of white wine vinegar, and a dash of Mrs. Dash. Mixing it all up and putting that on the grill. So that's what they look like now. Oh, okay, so I've done about half of the snake. That's good. 3.5 hours. I'm happy with that. It's kept 250 all the way through. Okay, so I'm putting the butter mixture on there, lid on, just letting it melt. Okay, mixing it all up and then dipping the pieces of rib tip in there, letting them soak up a little bit of the liquid. And once that was done, I folded the package together, put it over the part of the snake that was burned out so that it would keep warm until it was time to serve. And I left it on there for about another hour before plating it up. And then as a side, I just fried up some Brussels sprouts, mushrooms, and a little bit of bacon. There we go, low and slow rib tips. That is so good. That chili paste is hot as rain. Oh well, some mushrooms and Brussels and what have you. Bacon, of course. That's a good side. I'm gonna enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Bye.